How to remix reels on Instagram after original video. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remix reels on Instagram after the original video. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Instagram app and go to reels. So for example, if I want to remix this reel, tap on these three dots under the share button. Now here tap on remix. Here you will see two options, with original video and after original video. This tutorial is for after original video, so I'm gonna tap on after original video. Now wait for it to load. Now here tap on next in the top right corner. Now record your video. To record your video, press and hold the capture button. And after you have done recording, release the button. Now tap on next. Tap on next. And tap on again next. And tap on share. So this is how you can remix reels on Instagram after the original video. Thanks for watching.